like to introduce Joseph to you, who is an exceptional photographer. He's worked with some of the most famous hairdressers in the industry, and he's helped create award-winning collections for those artists. So how exciting. We can now play in Joseph's sandbox and learn what it's like to work with a top New York team. So tell them a little bit about the course, Joseph.
This is a great opportunity for artists, for hairstylists to feel what it's like to be behind the camera, creating a collection, a cohesive collection with everyone that ultimately will be published. Each one of you will get the opportunity to create an image that will be part of a conceptual story that will be published in a magazine. We will go through all the fine steps of that process, from concept to production to team, and of course, hair work with you, and then ultimately shooting and the post-production process. We'll touch on all the great aspects that you need to feel comfortable with. So when you are in a studio environment, you're comfortable enough to not worry about those details and be truly creative.
What do you think is the biggest challenge when hairdressers come into a studio for the first time to shoot?
Well, there are many. I think one of the ones that, which of course we will touch upon, is to understand that you are creating for the camera, not for the model, not for the client. You are creating a style and a look for the camera. And the camera has a very different eye. And so you have to learn that eye. You have to learn what happens to your creation. Why does it change? Why does it look different? What do you need to do to accentuate those changes or take away from those? Because sometimes the camera exaggerates to a point that it doesn't look like what you thought it would look like. So we go through all these processes so that you are comfortable with it and actually can preconceive your style before it gets in front of the camera.
That is so true. And that now explains why so many pictures of me, I look like a beached whale, when really I'm a little tiny munchkin. I promise it's the camera that's doing it. So do check out the information below. And remember, this is a hybrid version of we do work online. You show up for our live experiences, which are 2 days. And then on post, we review the work, and then the work goes off to the magazine. And oops, this is fantastic. So if this is of interest to you, check out the information below and sign up, sign up, sign up.